welcome back to my channel. So the differences, we have this, okay, this is behind me. It looks a lot, I'm still in my bathroom. Don't get me wrong, hey, but I was like, you know what, let me put this here, make it look classy or professional. I don't fucking know, but it's there. So what we're doing today is, oh wait, shit, the other differences is that I have a full face of makeup on. Foundation, I use Wet n Wild Photo Focus, so good. Maybelline Age Rewind, so good. Their Fit Me powder, loose powder, so good. Butter bronzer, Tarte blush in Quirky, really cute. Oh, rude! A Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Rose Gold. I'm trying to think of what else I use in my face. My eyebrows. I just kind of use a lot of things. That's besides the fucking point. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. It kind of matters, but today we're gonna be doing an eye look. Okay, I'm gonna try to get better angles. I'm trying to get better, okay? I'm just trying to get fucking better. But my cat's laying down on the counter and I can see her nipples. Her eye just twitched. She's probably mad. She knows I'm talking shit. Love ya. I don't even know where to start. I'll put a picture of what I'm trying to do here. Insert. And then also who did it. Because I just saw this and I was like, fuck, that's pretty. I could never do that, but let me try. Because fuck, that's fucking pretty. It also uses the James Charles palette, and I don't have that because it's sold out literally everywhere I go. So we're gonna use what I got. I don't even remember what it looks like. Hold on. In the crease, there's orange, pinks, and purples. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with that. But first, I'm scared of my cat. First, I'm gonna put some powder in my eyes because I know there's gonna be fallout because it's a lot of colors. I'm probably gonna be using a lot of different palettes, so I don't even want to play. I'm just gonna do this very shittily. Okay, so we did that. Okay, so we're gonna be using 4 different palettes. ColourPop Yes Please palette, of course. BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, of course. My Z palette from the first video, I don't know if y'all remember this. I was gonna clean it, and I was like, it'll get dirty again, so I was like, fuck that. But we're gonna be using this, and I don't really know. I'll probably just use this for the pink, maybe the, oh, what happened there? Y'all see that? And the pink, what? We're probably gonna be using the pink shade from here. I guess let's go ahead and get started. And I clean my brushes. What? I clean my brushes. Amazing. Amazing. I sound stupid. Yes. Okay, so this one I already used, so it's a little brown, but that's okay because the color that we're gonna be using is brown. First, I'm gonna start off with this peachy shade right here called Big Cocktail. I'm trying to do better angles, but I don't have a stand mirror, so it's hard for me. Wait, no. It's hard for me to do that, so I'm really trying. I don't know what to do. So here we go. We're gonna. Also, I have eyelash extensions. Y'all will see those, but I did them myself. I'm just using this as a light wash, and I'm taking this pretty far up to my brow bone because it's a cut crease and I don't have lid space to begin with. So, and I don't really know why I'm doing this step. I just feel like it fits, you know? Y'all can't see anything. I'm sorry. I'm just blending, y'all. There's not much to fucking see. Like, sorry. I also have my contacts in. How crazy is that? I think that's pretty crazy. Okay. Shadows blend so pretty. I love ColourPop for this. Like, what? Okay. Moving on. Ow. I'm gonna take the brown from this palette, also called Chauffeur. And I'm gonna put that a little bit lower, not much lower than the peach color, because I didn't even really need to do the peach color. Oh, and I guess I pre-primed because I did my face makeup like a couple hours ago. So I guess I technically pre-primed, but I put the Instant Age Rewind on my eyelid. Ew, why does this look shimmery right now, bro? Oh, fuck it. Earlier I used this brush to highlight, so I guess some of the highlight's still on there. I'm honestly scared. I don't think I'm gonna do this right. But I guess we'll see. Oh, I thought there was something in my eye, but yeah, it's from the light bulb. So we just have this so far. It's pretty peachy, kind of brown at the same time. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like glimmery. So next, I guess we're gonna go ahead and jump in with pink, which I'll be using Jive from the Pro Pigment Pro Fusion palette. It looks like this. Hey, this one. Not gonna touch it with my nails. I'm gonna fuck it up like that one. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush, one like so. This is an Eco Tools brush. Look, I went like, do you see that? You see that? Okay. There's like no, like, whenever you do, like nothing comes off. That's so weird. But I'm still gonna put this pretty high in my crease because I also have to fit purple. Could you stop? And then I have to cut my crease. So I don't even know how this is gonna work. So I blended it a little bit with this brush, but I'm gonna go back with the brush that we took Chauffeur on and go over that so that I don't get pink everywhere. But now it's turning this brush pink. We're gonna go back to the original first brush and blend that mofo. That pink is so pretty. But I'm gonna kind of pack it on into my crease so that it's like boom. So I'm just gonna pack. It's still shimmery and I don't understand. See, that already looks better. I'm gonna use the same brush to blend it. It kind of blended out by itself whenever I packed it, which is crazy. That got super pink super fast. So far, no fallout like under my eyes, which I think is insane. Next, we're gonna go in with the purple. And I'm coming from my Z palette. This one. It's definitely purple, like Barney ass purple. It's from Morphe, don't know the shade. It's from that Discontinued palette, don't fucking know. Okay, so it's literally all the way up to my brow bone. This purple, the Morphe shade, it just didn't really blend right. I don't know, like I was sitting here for a while trying to blend it and it wasn't doing its job, you know? So I'm gonna try again, but I don't really know what else to do. Other than that, we're just gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Before I cut the crease, I did put this darker, like more indigo blue purple shade from my Z palette from the same discontinued Morphe palette back. So here was the first one, and then here's the one that I used. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. It's more of like a 3/4 cut crease. And you're not gonna be able to see anything because my setup's horrible. We get it, I know. One of my creases is cut. So what she did, it was like pink, or like I guess red, but it was more pink. It was like pink on the inner corner, orange, yellow, green, blue to purple. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm really scared. So for the pink, we're gonna use the same pink we put in the greens. So I'm mixing these two shades right here, this pink and that dustier pink. I am gonna mix it with a little bit of red, just to make it like more red, obviously. I'm gonna go into this orange color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and put that right next to the red pink. I'm just patting the pink and the orange like in between to blend them together. It looks like sherbet. That's cute. So next is gonna be yellow. I'm gonna use the yellow from the ColourPop Yes Please palette, using the same brush. I really shouldn't, but I'm going to. I'm honestly gonna mix it a little bit with the yellow right in the middle, right there, from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of the orange because it lost its color. So far, so cute. Green. Go with the light green at the very top, right there. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow. Alright, and now we're gonna do blue. So I'm gonna use this blue. It is shimmery, but it's the only like dark blue that I have, so I kind of have to use it. But it's gonna go on the very outer corner. I'm gonna mix it with the purple. Going back in with the green. It's hard with the green and the blue. And then the green covers up the yellow. It's actually really pretty. I'll be back. Ooh. I'll be back. I'm gonna do the other eye of camera. But not the best. I think it's really super cute still. By far the hardest thing was blending the blue and the green, which I don't understand. So for the lower lash line, we're pretty much gonna follow the same steps. I'm gonna go in with that blue on the outer corner. I'm connecting it obviously to the outer corner from the top eyeshadow. Okay, and then we're gonna do a little bit of green, just a little tiny bit. Okay, and then we're gonna go into orange. And then the first like big blending brush that we first used, I'm just gonna go right under all those colors. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna use a shimmery yellow shade from the discontinued Morphe palette. I'm so sorry. For an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna lick the brush. Alrighty. Then we're gonna take my mascara, which is the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express. I really like this one. Put it on my lower lash line, my lower lashes. I'm also gonna coat my top eyelash extensions because they need to blend into my like lower top lashes. Oh, I look emo. This is why I don't do bottom lashes, because I look fucking emo. Right, Jasper? She yawned. That means, oh. Okay, no, we're good. We're good. We're done. Fuck, did I fuck it up? But I like it. I think it's really cute. It's really time consuming, and I didn't put as much time as she probably did, but I'll put her info down below. She does really cute looks. I think she's really pretty, really cute. I'll put her stuff down below. Shout out to her. Yeah, guys, that's it. So have a good night, have a good day, have a good morning, like, you know, all that stuff. If you liked it, I hate doing this. If you liked it, okay, I can't. If you just give it a fun, oh my god, give it a thumbs up so I can keep doing these videos. Like, I really enjoy doing them, but what's the point if nobody watches them, you know what I mean? So please share this to your mom, to your dad, to your sister, to your cats. Peace out. Peace out.